Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a deeper dive into the Samsun washer. We're looking at why you should go all the way when you clean your drum, because the sand that you're trying to clean gets up into these areas that you just can't get to without taking it apart. So this soap scum or scrud along with this metallic corrosion is not a good thing. So a look at the drum. The sides of the drum aren't bad, but the bottom is where all the stuff is at. So we're going to be cleaning that up. So in order to take this top off, it's pretty simple. You just take this panel off. There's 4 screws. Lift up, take it out, and hanging right inside here is a bundle of connectors that are inside a plastic waterproof shield. You just undo the shield, unsnap the connectors. 2 screws on the back on each side. Right here on the back, you take little brackets off, and then it just lifts up. Lifts up off of this pin, this pin, this pin. A little tough to get it unsnapped from the front. And then take it off, set it down, and then get on with cleaning the drum. So to take this drum off, you have 2 choices. You can take this big nut off here, which is corroded on there, or you can take out the 10 millimeter screws. So I chose to take the screws out. I would prefer to take the big nut off, but I don't have a socket that size. So this little cap, even though I was very careful, I can see that one of the tabs broke off. Now 2 years ago when I cleaned this, I had to replace this, and it looks like I got to replace it again, and I was very careful. But once it snaps on, it's on there pretty good. I think that was about $15 2 years ago. So it turns out there's a lot of soap scum around that heater. See that heater coil? That's gonna have to be washed too. So guys, I have this tub clean, but you see this stuff right here? It's coming from underneath here. Corrosion that's underneath this plate. It's not your typical soap scum. It's flaking corrosion from the bottom of this bracket. I am going to have to change that bracket. And I found a used one on eBay out of a new machine. So I'm going to have to look into that because I can't reuse this bracket. This bracket is just going to dirty up the clothes.